seen?
We can see you, and we can also see how much worse it's got since our first... Oh my god, look at that wind. Alright, so since our first run, we've had a few glasses of vino, and thought we would brave the storm once more. As you can see, there's more snow in our entryway, mail center. It's completely covered. I don't understand how this is even physically possible. But more importantly, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
This is not a good idea.
Alright. So, this is a bag. Oh my god. Okay. So back out into our main intersection here, Lincoln, Wisconsin. Things aren't getting any better. As you can see, no cars on the road. Luckily, I didn't wear my slipper pants this time.